Alright, what is up, guys? Welcome back. Yeah, as you can see, I got some stuff from BRIDE Japan. Got myself a little BRIDE seat here. Yeah, content's been pretty slow. I've been pretty busy this week. I'm pretty tired. I actually got OC spray yesterday, so don't recommend that. But yeah, so I've had this seat for like almost a month. And then I ordered the rails from Amazon Japan, and it took forever to get here, but they finally came in today. But it's been raining all day. It's like 4 p.m. right now, 4 or 5, but it stopped raining, but it's getting dark, so I'm about to try to throw these in real quick. The reason why I'm changing my seats, bring this over here. But the reason why I'm changing my seats is because I was driving to work one day and all of a sudden my seat just like reclined on me. Scared the living shit out of me. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and change them out. And I thought better just go. I thought it'd be better just to go aftermarket rather than stock, because I would then be replacing it with, you know, the same 30-year-old seat versus something newer. And just why not, you know? Plus, GTR seats are expensive. They are getting expensive for stock seats. So. Yeah, that's not the sun, that's a light. Like a little light post. I thought it was the sun too when I looked at it. But yeah, it's getting dark, so let's hurry up and knock this thing out. Alright, so taking these seats out are pretty simple. Seat belt is not attached to the seat, so it makes it very easy. It's just 4 bolts. I think it's 2 up front and 2 up back. Pretty simple, so go ahead and get that done. Found it. Just like that. They're all out. The last one in the back that goes to the center like console, to the tunnel, transmission tunnel, is a nut type. So there's like a built-in screw in there. And the rest are just screws just like this, 14 mils. Pretty simple and fast. So now I'm going to pull the seat out and then mock up the rails just to make sure everything fits. All right, I got the new rail, and while we're here, vacuum. A lot of coins down here. Yep, pretty dirty. Vacuum's dying. All right, well, I guess that is how much I will get it cleaned. All right, cool. Now let's go mock this rail up. Like this. I just want to make sure everything screws in. Alright, mock-up is complete. So now let's go ahead and mount the seat, find a good position, and then pretty much donezo's. Go ahead and... God damn, she's loud. After that, we'll go ahead and drive around, see how she feels. So first thing we're gonna do is mock up the seat rails to the seat. Actually, now we're gonna put the seat rails onto the slider. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and assemble the seat row, get a seat, and then catch you guys in a bit. Bam, we pretty much got the seat all good, mocked up. But like always, I would run into problems. I don't have my hex key set here for these. These little hex bolts. They're in my brother's car. My brother right now, he's on a ship in the middle of the ocean for a month. His car is on base. I haven't had time to get it back here yet. So, I got everything as tight as I could with my fingers and like pliers. I'm going to throw the seat in the car, drive to base, and then get the other toolbox that we have, come back home, and then tighten everything down. So I'm in a time crunch because we still have curfew that ends at 20 or 8, and it's currently 6:39 or 18:39. So I'm gonna throw this on real quick. I have everything mocked up as tight as I could. Got the seatbelt on there. When I noticed that, yeah, I was rushing, like rushing. So throw the seat in and tighten those down. I should be able to, actually no, I won't. I'll have to take the seat out because I can't get to the left side of the bolts. So I was just saying I'm gonna tighten everything down in the car, but can't do that. So damn, let's hurry up and get this in. Damn it, dude, it's always something, but it is what it is. All right. The seat is in, and to be honest, it looks pretty good. It looks like it's gonna be a pain in the ass to get in and out of the car. Let's see. Yeah, we see the side though, like, sheesh. Oh yeah. Oh fuck, dude, this is a pain in the butthole. But yeah, the only thing I don't like about this is like I'm sitting in the seat, I'm putting weight on all the screws, and they're not all tight. So I probably shouldn't be sitting in it right now. But I mean, it gives me time to kind of see what I like. I think this position's a little too laid back for me. All right, real quick, while I'm driving right now, tell you how this feels. It's different. It's a lot to get used to. First thing I noticed is my hip position is it's like way back. I think my hip position back with the stock seats were like up here, and that's only because so my feet could reach the pedals more comfortably to where I'm not like straight legged. So you know, I still have a slight bend in my knees and stuff like that, and also so I have a good comfortable grip on the wheel. Excuse me. But now with this seat, I pretty much put everything like forward, kind of with a lean back adjustment to it. I may change it so I sit a little more upright, but I do like I get more visibility out of the seat without sacrificing being too far back from the pedals and the steering wheel, which I do like. But this makes everything feel long, so I don't know how I feel about that. Like, it makes everything feel like a fucking spaceship. Tunnel noises. So yeah. So we'll see what I do about the adjustments and stuff like that. Alright, so we just got home. I got the toolbox. I recovered it. Locked my brother's car. So after driving it just right now, I know it's still loose, but I think I'm gonna make some adjustments. I have the front, like the front bolstering, like right here, up on the highest level. I think what I'm gonna do is turn this light on. I think that's better. Yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that probably like in the middle, just so I sit, or not the middle, probably there's 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, this is a 3. So in the middle. So I sit more kind of like flat instead of angled up. I think that'll help me. I mean, I like it angled up. Supports like the underneath of my thighs to where like when I engage the clutch, it's not so much like a leg motion. I could mostly use my ankles. I was pressing the clutch and trying to feel it out. But yeah, I kind of like feel my ankle kind of roll forward more, engaging the clutch, and then I kind of just push my leg in just a little bit just to engage it even more, which I like. But the seating position from like my head, I don't like feeling this far back in the vehicle, if that makes sense. Kind of want to come up a little more. Just that's like my personal preference. So I kind of makes me, you know, makes me think I feel the car easier, I guess you could say that. So yeah, I'm gonna make that adjustment. I'm gonna tighten everything down this time, and then throw the car, the seat back in the car, and then probably just go another lap. It's funny, I was like taking turns, just like to get on a base and shit, and I feel the seat like just slightly slide over because like all the screws are still loose. I'm like, fuck, I hope they don't bend. But yeah, I know I'm still in the seat. I should probably get out so I can take like the pressure off. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt the seat, take it inside, make the adjustments. I'm gonna show you guys my finished product. Man, this is supposed to be like an hour and a half installation. Everything's going smooth, and then bam, I forgot the toolbox. I have my Allen keys. Just a mess. So let's go ahead and knock this out. All right, guys. Finally got everything in. That took way longer than expected. Everything is bolted down. It should be. See, I moved it down to the second one in the front. I think that should be better. But yeah, just scratch the shit out of my side skirt. But it's fine. I don't think you'll see it. Scratch right there too. But I don't think you'll see it when I close the door, so I'm not too worried about it. But I'm gonna take a quick drive around the block, just to make sure that to where I adjusted the seat. Oh, that's good. Oh, fuck me, dude. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. But yeah, since the seat sits so far onto the steering column, like I have no room to move my thighs. Like these are my thighs. It's right here. So like I'm up on it. I think you go up a little more. Yeah, so that's a little too far. But yeah, like the engagement for all my pedals and everything is a lot better. It feels a lot more natural. It's like I'm just stepping down on it instead of pushing it in. This seat does fit a little tighter on my thighs, and I'm worried that I might grow out of these seats faster than expected. So I don't know, we'll see. I mean, I could always just sell them and get like bigger ones. I mean, the real pain in the ass, like why it took me so long, was just mounting the seat brackets onto the slider, the seat slide. So that took me the longest because it was a pain. Maybe I'm just stupid, but it was a pain. So yeah, let's go and take this around the block. Right now, just sitting it comfortably. Leave my head all the way back. I sit comfortable. Yeah, making the adjustment to the front feels a lot better. You get a little closer. I still sit pretty far back, but it's not too bad now. So yeah, I'm liking this position a lot more. Damn. Man, I love the sound of this exhaust. It just sounds so good. But yeah, so seat is good. Put the shit all the way back so I can get out of the car. Turn the slide on. But yeah, I mean this seat's pretty comfortable. It's not too bad. I thought it was gonna be worse, but overall it's not bad. I'm definitely gonna miss the factory seats because those are really comfortable and they bolster you like really well. Like for factory seats, those are probably the best ones I ever had. I mean, the only other one I probably had was the Recaros in my Evo 10. Those are pretty comfortable too, but these just have like, they have so much padding. It just, overall, really good seat. Oh, another one is my friend Daryl's Focus ST. That was like a full seat with bolstering. That was pretty nice too. But yeah, so pretty much it for today. I will be making more content. I'm just trying to find time, to be honest. You know, I've been pretty fucking tired every day I came home. But I promise I'm gonna try and make more content. Tomorrow I should be going out to Yokohama to take some pictures at this place with one of my friends. He has a Supra, so that should be cool. And then yeah, I don't really have anything else planned for the week, but I definitely will think of some stuff to get some content out to y'all. There's a lot of cars out tonight. But yeah, I mean, having this little curvy thing sucks. Also, follow me on my social medias. It's because I will be posting more. I just need time to get more pictures, more content for y'all. Overall, I will be pushing more out, alright? So, ride with me. I appreciate the ones that are sticking me right now. And make sure y'all like the video. Comment down below and don't forget to subscribe, yo. Alright, peace. Catch y'all on the next one.